Here's everything you need to know if your YouTube videos keep dying at 0 views. If you're constantly uploading videos but they keep getting stuck at 0 views, it's not because YouTube hates your channel. Most of the time, it's because you're making a few small mistakes that quietly kill your reach before your videos ever get a real chance. In this video, I'm going to break down the real reasons your videos aren't getting views and exactly what to do to fix each one. No myths, no fluff, let's get straight into it. Before anything else, the first thing you need to check is whether your channel is actually verified. And no, I'm not talking about a blue checkmark or big creator verification. I'm talking about basic channel verification. Go to youtube.com/verify and confirm your phone number. If your account isn't verified, this alone can sometimes be the reason your videos aren't getting views. Verification tells YouTube that a real person, not a bot or spam account, is behind the channel. It also helps YouTube understand where your channel is based, which affects who your content gets tested with first. Before you upload another video, make sure this is done. One of the biggest mistakes small creators make is deleting videos that don't perform, or re-uploading them later. This feels like it should help, but it actually does the opposite. Every video you upload collects data in the background. Who clicked? How long do they watch? What they watched next. Even a video with only a few views is teaching YouTube something about your channel. When you delete that video, all of that data disappears. And when you re-upload it, YouTube treats it like content from a channel it still doesn't understand. So instead of building momentum, you're forcing the algorithm to start from 0 every single time. The fix is simple. Once a video goes live, leave it alone. Don't delete it. Don't re-upload it. Move on. Consistency creates clarity for the algorithm, even if the early data isn't perfect. Another reason channels stay stuck at 0 views is something called posting and ghosting. That's when you upload a video, close the app, and hope for the best. YouTube doesn't just reward uploaders, it rewards contributors. Channels that watch other videos, comment, engage, stay active on the platform, send much stronger signals to the algorithm. If you only show up to upload and disappear, YouTube has very little reason to push your content. After you upload, stay on the platform. Engage with other creators. Be active. That's how you show YouTube you're part of the ecosystem, not just someone trying to extract views. Quick pause. If this video is already helping you understand why your videos are stuck at 0 views, hit the like button. It tells YouTube this is worth showing to other small creators who need it. And if you want more straight-to-the-point breakdowns like this, subscribe to Chase Profit. This channel is for creators who want clarity, not fluff. Also, drop a comment below and tell me how many views your last video got. I read the comments, and I'll try to reply to as many as I can. All right, let's keep going. Shorts are one of the fastest ways to get exposure, but most creators waste them. Every short you post should be connected to a long-form video. When YouTube understands that your shorts and long-form content are related, it can funnel new viewers directly into longer watch sessions. Best practice: clip each long-form video into multiple shorts. Upload them. Link each short back to the original video. Shorts aren't just views, they're discovery engines. YouTube is a demand-based platform. If people aren't already watching or searching for a topic, the algorithm has nothing to work with. This is why some creators do everything right and still get no views. The problem isn't your video quality, it's your topic. Before filming, validate the idea. Search it on YouTube. If you see small or similar sized channels getting views on that topic, that's a green light. Proven demand makes distribution easier every time. Optimization helps YouTube understand who your video is for, what problem does it solve, who to show it to. Without optimization, YouTube guesses and often guesses wrong. Key optimization areas include file name, title, description, tags, hashtags, thumbnails. Yes, this applies to shorts too. If the wrong people see your content and don't engage, YouTube assumes the content is weak, even when it isn't. The fastest way to grow on YouTube isn't uploading more videos. It's fixing the mistakes you're already making before you upload 10 more. Most creators stay stuck because they're guessing in isolation. That's exactly what Chase Profit is about, helping you understand what actually moves the needle instead of chasing algorithm myths. If this video helped you, engage with it. And if you're not sure what to watch next, YouTube already knows. It's right here. Thanks.